Hey, welcome to Hebrew from Zero, lesson number 2. Today we're going to begin to talk about verbs, and specifically about roots, shoresh. To understand verbs, first we need to understand a concept in Hebrew called root, or in Hebrew, shoresh. Each verb in Hebrew is based on 3 letters in specific order. At rare occasions, it might be 4, 5, or even 6 letters. Those letters we put in a pattern according to the conjugation. Sounds difficult? Not at all. Let's look for some examples. Okay, here we see the first example, the shoresh or the root katav, kaf, taf, bet. Now, I put a pattern that we put those letters in that pattern. In the first letter, the vowel gonna be O. After that, we're gonna put a vav, like the Hebrew letter vav. The second letter of the root gonna get a e vowel, and the last letter of the root will not get any vowel at all. As we see, after we put that, it becomes kotev. That means he writes. Now, let's use the same pattern for another root. The next root is shin mem resh, shmra. Now again, we put the shin at the first pattern. It will get the vowel of O. Next, there will be the Hebrew letter vav. Then the second letter of the root will get a e vowel, and the last one will not get any vowel. It will become shomer. Listen how similar is that. Kotev, shomer. Shomer means he saved. Now, after we put that, let's see a lot of example. In the right column, we're gonna see a lot of example of what we can make from kaf, taf, bet, KTV, if you want a comparison to English. As you see, every time we put in a different pattern, we'll get a different word, but all the time is based upon something about writing. And in the left column is exactly the same pattern, but different root, different shoresh. Now it's all about saving. Okay, now I want to ask you a question. Is there a difference between those two roots? Yes, there is a difference. The difference is the order. The right root is gimel mem resh, and that a root that indicate finishing something. The left root is gimel resh mem. The root is for causing something. Okay, now let's do a summary for all of what we learned today. Every action in Hebrew is based on roots. Those represent the action. The root is 3 letters, normally, in a specific order. Put those 3 letters in a different pattern, it will give us different meaning, but of the same action. He will write, he wrote, writing, to write, etc. In the next video, we will see the pattern for action in the past and how to identify the root of a verb. Good luck, people!